In the heart of a kingdom veiled by towering mountains and whispering forests, Princess Lily grew up captivated by tales of dragons. Unlike the stories of terror and destruction, her nanny whispered night tales where dragons were keepers of wisdom and song. Her favorite was about the dragon's song, an ancient melody said to ensure peace and harmony. When Lily turned 16, adversity struck. A neighboring kingdom threatened war, their demands outrageous and gr. Edie. The night air was thick with tension, the fear among the villagers palpable. Desperate to save her people and inspired by the old tales, Lily decided to seek out the legendary dragon rumored to live on Mount Eldritch. If she could learn the dragon's song, perhaps she could bring peace. Undeterred by war, ning tales of the perilous peaks, Lily embarked on her quest at dawn. For days she climbed, braving harsh winds and treacherous paths. On the seventh day, reaching the summit as the sun dipped low, she found herself not at the mouth of a dark cave, but in an emerald grove where a magnificent dragon lay, scales shimmering like stars. The dragon, ancient and wise, spoke without words, and Lily understood. She shared her fears, her hopes. Moved by dragon taught her the hauntingly beautiful song, its melody echoing between the mountains. Lily descended with haste, the song a steady beat in her heart. As armies lined the battlefield, she stepped forward, her voice clear and strong, lifting the dragon's song into the morning light. The melody wound its into the hearts of all present, calming fears, soothing rage. The enemy king, tears in his eyes, ordered his armies to retreat. Peace was restored, and from that day forth, Lily was not just a princess, but a bringer of harmony, her song eternally sung as the ballad of Princess Lily and the Dragon's Song.